Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cowgirl Barbie from the Barbie movie. So let's get started. To draw cute Barbie in her Western outfit, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come right next to it, say about this line, and draw another circle. There. So my two circles in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, so I have my eyes in. I'm going to come to the sides right here and spruce them up with some lashes. So let's see here, maybe just two of them. And same thing here, towards the sides, long one and a shorter one. Then from there, I'm going to come up and draw her brow. So about right there, I'm just going to draw a soft angle line right over her eye. And same thing here. There. Then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve going slightly upwards and cap it off. Then, now that we have all that in, let's go ahead and we're going to frame her face. So usually I come to the top of my eye and I come out, but because I know I have hair coming that's going to block that part a little bit, I'm just going to come, say about right here, just really close to that lash, basically. Right there, and then from there I'm just going to start my bottom of a U. So right around the eye and come down, and I'll say about my center, so my chin about right here, give myself a point, kind of know where I'm going, and I'm just going to go ahead, try to make my bottom of a U a little bit sharper, give her a sharper chin. Right there, and go back up. So same thing here. So whatever is easiest, up or down. Just want to create this curve right there for her chin. Yay. Okay, so now that we have all that in, let's come back to the top right here and right over her brow. Actually, you know what? Let's come here since we have to draw her hair. Let's see what's easier. Actually, you know what? Okay, let's do this. Sorry. I'm going to find my center right here above the brows, about right there. And I'm just going to come right here and draw a curve. So I just kind of know where my center is. Right over. That's the beginning of her hat. And then about right here, close to her brow, we're just going to draw a curve coming down and wobble. So everything is just going to hit right here and out. So then from there, let's see here, now that we have that, let's extend this out a little bit more. So this is her hat. So I just want to extend it enough to give her, show more of her hair. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to wobble. Same thing here. Wobble some hair. I know it looks really weird right now, but it will all come together. And actually, you know what? I forgot. This line actually comes down. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me go in there and erase that really quick. It actually comes down so that we can make the hat look like it's on her head. Okay, so now from there, let's come back to the center, about right here, just a little bit above that curve you created. I'm going to start right here And I'm going to go up for the rim of our cowgirl hat. So let's go up, and we're just going to go up nice and high, about right here, round it off, and bring it all back in. So same thing on the other side. About right there, go up, just on approximate, same height. Round it off, and bring it in. There, so we have the tops of the sides of our hat, and then from there, let's come back about right here. So we just need to make sure this line and this line right here makes sense. So it needs to be as wide as your hair, so that it fits over the head, right? So from there, let's go up, and I'm just going to draw this slight angle line, and then we can go ahead and start to bring it in. About right here, angle it, and then towards our center. I'm going to find my center again and say about right here. And round it off and go back up and angle again and connect. There, finally done. It's so delicate. And then from there, we're going to draw another curve. So we come about right here. And we have to draw a big curve all the way across for the pink band. And actually, there will be a gap right here. So I need to draw another line right here to separate, so we know that there's this ribbon right here. Okay, so finally done with that. Then let's come back, and let's come back right here. I'm just going to bring this curve down. And then in this space, if you have enough space, let's come back here. We're going to tuck in a little ear. Just draw a curve right in there. And then I'm going to give her some earrings. I'm just going to just do this zigzag shape right here. And same thing here. Just to make it easy. So we know that there's something, she has these cool earrings on. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her body first before we finish her hair. I'm going to come right here and give her a little neck. And she's wearing a scarf. And so I'm going to come about right there. I'll draw a scarf a little bit later because I think it's much easier to do it that way, and then we'll erase. So and come right here, and we just draw her shoulders. But before we draw our shoulders, I think it'd be easier if we just draw this angle line just enough for her top, her vest. Then I'm going to come right here. I'm going to bring this curve down. There. Okay, so then let's bring this about right here. We're going to come in towards the center. Right there. And let's bring this down a little bit more so we know about right here. Let's say about right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. So angle this down towards the center and go right back up. From there, I'm going to come back into this space and divide it right down the line. And let's just draw in all the details now since we're here. I'm just going to cut this off. And then we're going to put in some pockets right here. 2 little pockets on both sides. There, and then just add 3 small buttons. 1, 2, 3. And you can do this when you're coloring, but I'm just going to add a line right here on both sides. It goes through the pocket. And then there's some more details here. We can do that when you're coloring. I don't want to muddle it up with my Sharpie. Okay, so then for the handkerchief that she's wearing on her bandana neckerchief, right? I think that's what it's called. I'm going to come right here. And I'm just going to draw a little loop here. and here. Oh, actually, maybe I don't need to erase. I'll just erase the little bit part there, and then I'm going to come right here on her neck and just draw a slight curve right there. So I know it's kind of tight around her neck. There. Okay, so then from there we finally draw her waist. So let's come down and let's come in a little bit. So about right here and here, and then I'm going to connect it with a curve. Go up, and then we're going to start her pants. So let's come down, and then let's find our center. So I'm going to say about right here. I'll just give myself a slight angle line, and this is where her legs are going to start. So I'll draw 2 angle lines coming out, and let's bring this down. So keep in mind, let's work on this side first. We have these bell bottom pants that we need to draw. So it's going to come in. So we need to bring them in and then flare them out. So let's say about right here where her knee would be. About right there, and then we can start to flare it out. So this part is really long, so very long drawing, right? Because you have this tall hat. So let's keep going. I'll try not to pass my center, but about right there. Let's say about that there, and then I'm just going to wobble my way across. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Go in, and then make sure you come out. And I'll just come right there. So same thing on the other side. So we're going to bring it in and then start to flare it out. And once again, just wobble across and connect. There. Okay. Then from there, let's see, let's finish her off, draw her feet. So I'm just going to come right here and just draw a little indication of her shoes. And same thing here. There. A little bit sharper towards the end. And then from there, let's draw in some details. So let's see here. Let's come to the center. And we're just going to draw this V shape. Right down the center. And then come down with a straight line. And then in this spot right here, I'm just going to draw some X's right there. And then I'm going to put a little detail right here, go all the way around with a curve. And then there's some lines here as well, just like that. But you can do that when you're coloring with like a dark magenta, so it's not so so black. And then at the bottom right here, there's going to be a bunch of stars, so you can do that when you're coloring as well, so it's not black. And then, but I want to come and show you right here, since we're down here, how to draw a star. Points and connect. There. So hopefully that helps you. Just start with the top point on whichever part is easier for you, and then just connect everything. So hopefully you can practice that, and if you want to make bigger ones at different angles, it's all the same idea. There. And then there's somewhere it's just like that. So oops, but there. That you can put all in this space right here when you're coloring. Okay, so now finally let's draw her arm. So this side's going to be on her hip. I'm going to bring this down, and about right here where her armpit would be, I'm going to come down and bring her hands to about right here. So I'm going to bring this down and angle in. So let's thicken everything up. Elbow right here, bring it in, the angle, and then a little finger right there. And then on this side, I'm just having it to her side. So let's continue this down. And about right here where her waist is, will come in and then come out. And I'll have her hands come about right there. So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw a thumb and then fingers. And connect everything. There. Okay, so finally we're done with that part. Now let's finish her gorgeous hair. So I'm just going to bring this nice and smooth and just wobble my way across, down. Give it a little curve here and there, and then just connect everything. So same thing here. Add a little curve here and there if you like. And connect. There. And let's see here. That is pretty much it, except I need to add a heart somewhere. There's going to be a bunch of stars here. I'll just add a heart right here in the center of her hat to make her my just so cute Barbie in her Western Cowgirl outfit from the Barbie movie. I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.